Here is how to turn an idea into a clear build plan. Go to Codalio.com, open Resources, and click Open Source. This is our free tool on GitHub. Open the .claude plugin folder and copy the link. Now open Claude, go to Settings, then Plugins, and click Add Marketplace. Pick Add from a repository, paste the link, and click Sync. Codalio Blueprint shows up. Click Install once, and you get 6 tools. Start a new project. Type /prd-builder. Then say what you want to build, in plain words. Now it asks you questions. Who is this for? What are you tracking? What should it run on? How far do you want to take it? You just pick your answers. It asks what is slow today, and what your app really needs. And here is your plan, written out. What it is, who it is for, what to build first, and what can wait. Your plan has 6 parts. What the app is, who it is for, what people can do with it, what to build first, how the data fits together, and how to get your first users. Why this helps? You cut the plan down on purpose. Every feature has a reason. Problems show up on day 1, and nothing is left to guessing. It is free, and it is open source. Go to Codalio.com, Resources, Open Source.